Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Today I have came with a new video of Henna Mehndi designs for kids. All of these designs are for little children, for their beautiful hands. These all designs are very simple, very unique and very easy. You can easily apply mehndi on any hands. Very simple, very simple designs. These designs are very simple. Oh my god, oh my goodness, this is too much beautiful and easy, and little kids hands will look so beautiful with these henna designs. Today I have thought that I would share henna designs for children's, because little kids are also very important part of our family, and their hands are also beautiful. So I hope you are enjoying my video and you are liking these all designs. And if you are liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, dear friends.